Many people are extremely busy, making it difficult to find time to exercise. Why not work out while preparing meals? Try FITCUI. Turn cooking into a workout. FITCUI marries fitness with cuisine and a collection of recipes with exercises that correspond to each step of the recipe. Exercise does not have to be a separate activity. Make it an everyday routine in the kitchen. Turn cooking into a workout opportunity. While standing and moving around the kitchen, lifting pots and pans, you burn calories. Fit in a few simple exercises while brewing coffee or heating up leftovers. You will become more limber, increase your range of motion, and get stronger. For example, boiling water. Start with shoulder rotations. Doing a complete circle, do several rotations. Begin to fill a pot with water. While it is filling, do some heel raises. Rise up and down on the balls of your feet. Hold on to support if needed. Place the pot on the stove and turn on the burner. Put a cover on the pot to speed up the process. While the water comes to a boil, do a few more exercises. Start with unilateral balance. Stand on your left leg for 10 to 20 seconds. Repeat with your right leg. Next, do lateral raises. Standing on your left leg, holding weights at your sides, raise arms out to the sides to shoulder height. Repeat standing on your right leg. Next, do forward-backward bends. Standing with your feet shoulder width apart, reach for your toes. Slowly stand back up. Now put your hands on your hips and gently arch backwards. Large bubbles rising to the surface of the water means that the water is boiling.